But the fact is that a lot of Indian families already historically have had wealth outside India, and they also have economic interests outside India. They have exports to Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, Europe. Now, both these geographies become very, very useful jurisdictions to manage that cash flow and build that out. So Singapore specifically offers, I'll come to Singapore first. Singapore specifically offers two regulations under the family office structure, which is 13O and 13U, which are very, very friendly, which allows the Indian families to set up specific family offices entities. And then also there are the VCC structures. People find it very safe. And people are looking to actually diversify at least 20 to 25% of their wealth. So once they're set up in Singapore, then they're looking at, global asset allocation, which is, as much as, US equities, global bonds, Singapore bonds, or Asian bonds. And that is where the structure is putting that in place. Similarly for Dubai, Dubai offers actually a single family office structure in DIFC, which is extremely friendly and, tax friendly from an India point of view. And then Dubai also has structures which are, linked to a foundation which people can set up to ring fence their assets. And again, in a single family office structure, once you're in a place like the IFC, you have access to the full global markets. So you have access to all the global products, global bonds, global private banks, and obviously the leverage that is available, including trading and structured notes. So what we are trying to say that once you're outside India through Nuvama, you actually have access to the full global platform, whether it is Singapore or Dubai. We as Nuvama are actually agnostic in terms of which geography people are looking to participate in. But the fact is that we are seeing attraction from India in both these geographies because both historically have been close to India, have significant diaspora. So what also happens is that a lot of Indian families have their friends, relatives already there. Children are looking at foreign education. So people are also looking at real estate and housing, which is also becoming a big lever for people to invest specifically in Dubai. It also becomes a gateway for Europe for exports in Africa. So that's how the overall picture looks at for us.